Tell me the success story that stands out to you.
We actually had one this week. His name was Sylvester. I don't want to give his last name, but he's new. What, 3 months out?
3 months.
Yeah, he's only been, so I'll give you some that are old and I'll give you some that are new. So he's only 3 months out. He's already acquired his HELOC, but on top of that, he's also, has he acquired his policy or is he in underwriting for his policy? Got his policy, and the difference between him and some people, not all, but some people, was mindset, because he made a point to you that was 6 years ago he wouldn't have been able to hear this message because he didn't have the right mindset. And that's why I say sometimes that mindset is everything, that you've got to be in the right place and time to receive the message that we have. But that was one thing that he had mentioned, that he's now in the right mindset to absorb this information and actually execute on it. So he's a great one. Now, only 3 months in, so it's not like he paid his house off in 3 months. It's not like he's wildly profitable in insurance. He's not. I mean, that's going to take years for him to be able to execute on that. But he's step by step, just instead of analysis paralysis, he's just digging in, taking the information. We tell him to jump, he jumps when we tell him to jump. And he's a perfect client example of what we would like for everyone to do.